Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix cannot select word in Fortnite Lego. So let's get started. So to fix that, you have to follow these easy steps. So first of all, you can just go to you can restart your PC or console. Okay. And second thing, you can just check your Lego Fortnite server status. Third, you can do connect the only one controller at one time. Fourth, you can just contact your customer care support. And fifth and last is your reinstallation of a Fortnite. So by this way you can do it. And this is how to fix can't select the one word in Fortnite app. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.